Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to show you how to turn on your Bosch Smart TV without a remote in a few simple steps. First, locate the physical power button on your TV. On most Bosch Smart TVs, this button is on the back, side, or bottom edge of the TV panel. Press and hold the power button for a few seconds until the TV turns on. Some models may require a single press instead of holding it. If your TV doesn't turn on, make sure it's properly plugged into a working power outlet. Check the power cord for any damage or loose connections. You can also use a smartphone as a temporary remote. Download the Bosch Smart TV app or a universal remote app. Connect your phone to the same Wi-Fi network as the TV and control the power from the app. For TVs with HDMI CEC enabled, you can try turning on the TV using a connected device like a gaming console or streaming stick. This sends a signal that powers on the TV automatically. By following these steps, you can turn on your Bosch Smart TV without a remote and keep watching your favorite shows. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and share your experience in the comments. Thanks for watching.